We are in Hoa Hai today with my cousin Michelle and her boyfriend Juan. They're walking a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment for under 10 million dong. For under 10 million dong. So we're gonna check it out. Let's see. This is about 20 minutes away from the most central parts of Da Nang. Okay. TV.
This is my cousin. He came to check out the house too.
Hi, Michelle.
Okay. So this all work?
Okay. This looks like a small room. Looks like there's a bed there. This is the primary bedroom. Ooh, nice little balcony here. So this is under 10 million, which I believe is 400 a month. 20 minutes away from most of central Da Nang and the river bridge. I took one main road to get here. Yeah, look, nice little balcony. It sounds quiet in the day. There's a river here. I'm gonna try to zoom in to this river for you. They've got a river view. There's not much loud construction from what I could hear. You could look at this. I don't know if this is mold. But it doesn't smell like mold. But it's not the cleanest, it's not the most modern. But it is 400 a month.
And this one is just like as is. But we get our own magic one.
But it is a pretty big space. It's bigger than me and Christina's apartment. It's like this is a closet. You've got a bathroom. Washer. Here's the shower.
Do you know what the
Here's the other bathroom.
Mẹ nói tiếng Anh nói không được. Này, dùng Google dịch nhưng mà Google dịch nó chậm quá nên muốn gì tiếng Anh Google mà nói.
If you haven't been out here yet, I believe this is called a wet bath. And the shower and toilet shares the same space.
This one has
So you'll get the floor wet from the shower,
but you just have to turn it on.
and then it'll be surrounding the toilet and the sink. I know for Westerners that's something that people need to get adjusted to.
I wonder if the other one does.
This is the kitchen. So again, not the most modern appliances, but it's got a drying rack. It's got a big fridge. It's bigger than my fridge. Not too bad. If you add your own stuff, make it your own. What do you think, Juan?
It's really nice.
Yeah?
I like it a lot.
Yeah?
Yeah,
You think you can get it?
yeah. One might be, yeah.
Nice.
It's got like everything we want.
Yeah, cool. Here's the view from the front window.
So how much down and how long as far as like the minimum stay as far as renting here? Would it be
They're doing some negotiating. Let's try to get some footage of this.
Okay, so 6 months, and then how much is the down payment? Is it all up front?
Tiền đặt cọc nhiêu chị? Ok, đợi xíu. Đặt cọc nhất là gì quên rồi để mời khách chưa tiền. Quay. The before 1 month.
So can you repeat that again? Sorry, it's
10
8
million down.
10 million down as a deposit, and then 8 million per month.
Yes.
Okay. How many months up front? Just 1 month.
Month to month.
Month to month.
1 month you have to talk to us before 1 month if you want to leave.
Okay. Okay. So I'll let you know in okay for 1 month. Okay, that's fine. 6 months contract. Let you know 1 month ahead of time. And then how much do we pay down? You said 10,000 for a deposit. I mean 10 million for a deposit, and then 8 million per month. So we just pay the first month and then month to month.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And can we? Or you like it?
I like it. But
Okay.
What do you think?
I like it.
You have to have the visa and the visa to stay in Vietnam.
Yes.
You know?
Yes, we have that.
Yeah. Okay.
Tourist visa?
We do a contract and talk to the police and the police. The police. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Let the authorities know that we're here.
Okay.
Okay.
We have to clean the house and do the repayment something on Sunday. Next Friday is 27.
Okay. Let's do it. Can we go ahead and draft up the contract, and then we can come and pay whenever it's ready. And we'll go ahead and take this.
Formal payment.
And then you said total payment just is 10 million and then 8 million. So we're gonna have to have 18 million to move in, correct? Just so I have the amount.
Right.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Em
Do
hỏi
you have that? Do you have that?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, got that. It's done. Okay.
I can do either cash, I could dom, or I could do, if they want me to transfer on Wise on the app, I could do that too. So whichever they prefer, cash.
I mean, dog or cat, the bed.
Oh, pets? No pets.
Yeah, I know that. Okay.
No
okay.
pets, no kids. It's just me and just kissing.
Cat not.
I'm gonna put us up.
So it looks like they're gonna fix this. They're gonna provide a sofa here, and they're replacing this TV with a smaller.
Very good.
Gotta do the sound test, make sure you don't hear the construction. Oh, but that door is open.
It's okay, let's play some music.
Yeah.
No
I'm
one?
sure it'll significantly drop once you close the main door.
Oh, okay, got it.
So this is Hoa Hai. This is kind of the area that we wanted, which is in between like
Around this way.
nothing and major city.
There's the river.
But yeah, I'm not sure if you could tell, but like there's a bunch of just little not little houses, but houses, plots of houses, just waiting to be built here.
That's cool. So this is like the suburbs, or it's gonna be
This is the
future
suburbs.
suburbs in development. That is massive. Look at this house. This is huge. Look at this house.
No, to the right.
No, it's a villa.
3 stories, no neighbors there, and no neighbors here.
Another house, just home being built right here.
Look, it's so chill here. You could just walk in the street.
Yeah.
No longer in.
And there's no more bikes here. There's no one.
You know, you
It's
can
like
I can practice riding a bike here.
It's like a ghost town.
Yeah. You can practice riding your bike
Yeah.
through here,
You guys want to ride the bike?
taking left turns.
Fun.
I kind of do.
Yeah, let's do it. If you want.
Okay,
Wow, I gotta see this one. This one looks nice.
Right? Pretty, huh?
Look at this house. It's beautiful. You see, you've got an empty shell right here.
They got workers doing construction on the inside.
Very majestic.
There's a realtor around this corner.
Oh yeah? Look at this. This is beautiful. This is a Cafe Trung. What'd you get?
I got ginger tea.
Ginger tea.
I got lychee tea.
Lychee tea. Okay. This is ginger tea?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
accidentally.
Cheers.
Cheers. .360 view. They're building out here. Got this pool. Lots of new construction going up. There's a nice river. They're building a campus here. That's going to be the future of Da Nang. Prices are a little bit cheaper here too. Beautiful place. If you want a place to just unwind and chill away from the city, this is probably it. So there you have it. That's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. If you got any value from this video and want to see more videos just like this, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate the support. Thanks. Peace.